How to change ruler color in Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change its color. First of all, open the application. Now here you can select any of the book that you are reading. So here I'm tapping on one. So here, as you can see, this ruler is available. Now simply double tap on this interface. Here on the right top, you can see this AA icon. Tap on this AA icon. Here on the bottom, you can see this more option. Simply tap on more. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called reading ruler. Tap on it. Now here there are different colors available. So on the top you can see different colors that you can choose from. So you can simply select the color that you want to change into. So select the one that's more familiar or it will make reading more easy. So if you go back, it's all set now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.